अभी ਨਾਲ shot दे रहा सी ऊपर smoke कर रहा सी. That was one scene जिस थोड़ा सा मैंने problem हुई सी. Second was खेता वाला sequence. I'm thankful to Anurag for shooting it very aesthetically.
Yeah.
अनुराग ने उस sequence सारे शक्ला कुछ भी नहीं दिखाया, but at the same time सब कुछ दिखा भी है. So that was a little difficult scene, and when in fact when Anurag was showing me that scene कि किਵੇਂ करना है, तो I was like doing hey शिव शिव बाबा जी शिव शिव बाबा मैं what are you making me do? But then thank God it turned out to be good.
How difficult or how easy is it for you as a woman to do these bold scenes and you know which requires so much of intimacy and suggestiveness?
लोग शायद I don't know मैंने की कहने जब मैं इसका जवाब दूँगी. I'm very comfortable.
Okay.
इतना सारे खड़े होंगे हैं. It's more कि हाँ असी perform किमें कर रहे हैं. A lot of people tell me that I do the scenes very naturally. It is because I don't feel anything. Yeah. But if I do this, I mean after Devdi I started getting all these kind of offers.
Yeah, that was the danger. That was the danger you faced.
Bold scene है, माई को sign करो. But then you have to trust your director. Not every director can shoot you like that.
Yeah.
In fact, I find dance sequences difficult. Oh, मेरे challenging लगते हैं, but these kind of scenes not at all.
And what about your family? Are they comfortable?
I don't know. I mean, they never mention because.
Never. Your mom has never mentioned it.
No. She's never mentioned it.
Okay.
No, nobody's ever said anything to me. Nobody felt anything. Maybe if they even if they felt, they never told me anything.
I still remember when Jado Devdi da ithe premiere show
rakhiya
siga. We were also sitting. We were sitting right ahead in front of you. And you know, while I was watching the film, I was just thinking, what is Mahi thinking? What is she thinking and going through?
You will not believe it. It was a terrible feeling. I remember when Anurag told me that we're screening the film in Chandigarh. I said, what are you doing?
That's my hometown.
Why are you doing this? See, the dialogues were bold.
Yeah.
They were bold.
Yes.
You know, you can't deny that.
Abusive and...
Yes, very bold. But thank God, you know, we got a standing ovation.
Yes.
I remember people telling me, I went to Ludhiana after that. These kitty party ladies, aunties, you know, there were around 200 of them, you know, grouped. And they were just cheering and whistling when my scenes used to come. So it shows that, you know, if people in Punjab have understood the film, they've understood the character, and they're enjoying the character, that means we have done it. Yes.
And you absolutely deservedly got many awards,
Screen Award
and Filmfare.
You know, when I was in Chandigarh, when I was studying and we were small, so I remember Sardiyan din hunde si when Filmfare used to
announce its awards.
Yeah, so we used to be sitting glued to the television with Rizaiya and all, and Garam Dudh Pire, and samne we used to watch television. You know, all these big stars giving
their speeches.
Filmfare, because Filmfare is the oldest award. कि एक दिन वो lady मेरे हाथ छुएगी तो मेरे घर छुएगी, and I'm really proud of it.
How did life change right after Devdi? And did it somewhere almost challenge your sanity?
I haven't changed a bit.
Okay.
No, I'm still the same. मैं उतना ही मेरे वही friends जिन्हें मेरे पहला सीखे आज भी मेरे वही friends हैं same.
Suddenly you're a very known actor. Although you have to be out with makeup on or you have to dress up in a certain way. Do you feel that kind of bondage?
Not at all. I never wear makeup whenever I'm out of home. It's only when I attend parties or interviews. I'm always in my simple jeans and a t-shirt and chappals or sneakers.
You were in your early 30s when you actually made your debut, your big debut.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ in some way because ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜੀ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ you've gone through a marriage, you've gone through losing your father, you've gone through many other rough patches in your life. ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ you got baked and it actually made a better actor out of you?
I think it has really helped. मैं लोगों ना बैठ के ना हंस सकती हूँ. People will say कि अच्छी इधर दी है, और the other day I can be very quiet and people say अच्छी इधर दी है.
Yeah.
I think it has helped me a lot in my acting career. I can cry. I never use glycerin, so I just remember the things from my past, and
हाले भी ऐसा होता है.
ऐसा होता है. Yes. And secondly, I didn't get carried away when I was in Bombay. कि लोग की मेरा ज़्यादा बेवकूफ नहीं बना सके.
Are we talking about something like these men suggesting that the lead actor, or if you want to work in my film, you sleep with me?
No, that didn't happen. That
never happened with you, by the way?
No, thankfully it did not happen because
but it's rampant there in Bombay.
I really don't know. It has not happened with me. Okay. So I really don't know whether it happens or not.
Yeah.
Maybe it must be happening. अगर ये चीज़ निकले तो कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है. But I think it's everywhere.
Yeah.
But in fact, if you see, is line rape cases and all कदे नहीं होते हैं. It is because you have so many choices.
Yeah.
So it is like that.
ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਐਸਪੈਕਟਸ ਆਏ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਰੈਕਟਰਿਸਟਿਕਸ ਆਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਸਿਨੇਮਾ ਤੋਂ ਜਾਂ ਬੀਇੰਗ ਐਨ ਐਕਟਰ ਜਸਟ ਬਾय द virtue of being an actor?
I think ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਟੌਮਬॉय ਸੀ ਕੁਝ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫੈਮਿਨਿਨ ਕਰਤਾ and secondly I think I've become much smarter. Yes.
You've been really lucky when it comes to directors as well as actors you've worked with. Naseeruddin Shah ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਾਈਕਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ and Irfan ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੋਮਰ. Have they helped you polish your own performance in that way?
It does make a lot of difference when you're working with an actor better than you. Abhay Nalvi, I mean, I think all the actors that I've worked with so far, be it KK, Irfan, Nasir sir, Abhay, all four of them are amazing.
What do you think makes a good actor?
Just be natural.
Yeah.
Don't copy any actor. I think that's very important.
That reminds me, ਜਦੋਂ सबने ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਦੇਖਿਆ, सबने क्या कि you remind them of Tabu. Of course, it's a compliment because she
she's too good.
Yeah, and she's an amazing actor too. लेकिन किते ना किते, did you feel that okay, this might limit your choices in some way? ऐसा लग्या कदे?
इतना नहीं लग्या, but ये सीगा कि lot of people told me कि तब्बू वांगू लगती हो. मैंने ये सीगा कि वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है. When you're compared with a better actor, वो चीज़ तो कई बार खराब कर दी. But thankfully that didn't happen. In fact, I met Tabu, and both of us felt we don't resemble each other.
अच्छा, हुन now that you're here, हुन ambitions आ गए हैं दिमाग च कि अच्छा मैं हुन ये करना है. पहले तो प्लान नहीं सीखा ना.
पहले कुछ प्लान नहीं सीखा. In fact, the first 3 films of my career I didn't choose. They chose me.
Yeah.
Devti Gulal, and I did a film called Aage Se Right. What has changed is that yes, I look at the script first. Script मैंने interest appeal करनी चाहिए, which is very important.